Get to know the green tea shot. Whiskey, peach schnapps, lemon, or lime soda. That's how you make a green tea shot. Did you know that green tea shots rose to fame when drinkers from the US started making this shot trending in 2011? It's said to be a unique kind of shooter with an exciting flavor. Want to know more about this drink? Stay tuned. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to Advanced Mixology for awesome cocktail recipes, bartending tips, and fun facts about your favorite drinks. Is green tea shot made of green tea? No. This alcoholic drink has no actual green tea in it. But why is it called green tea shot? It's called green tea shot because of its greenish color, which resembles healthy and relaxing tea. Previously, it was called Jameson green tea because it was originally created using Jameson whiskey. Jameson Irish whiskey is made from both unmalted and malted barley. It was then combined with peach schnapps, an American sweetened liqueur made from fruit and spices. For the sourness, the green tea shot has a mixture of simple syrup and lime or lemon juice, which we call a sour mix. Add the popular soft drink with lemon flavor, Sprite, and lemonade. Is green tea shot strong? A green tea shot has a pleasant taste, and if you are not careful, it's easy to drink more than you intended. So make sure to drink responsibly. What bar tools do I need to make a green tea shot? To make this powerful shot, you only need 4 bar tools: jigger, cocktail shaker, strainer, and shot glass. Green tea shots are perfect for when you're in the mood for something sweet and refreshing. Here are the ingredients you will need to create this refreshing drink. 0.5 ounce Jameson, 0.5 ounce peach schnapps, 0.5 ounce sour mix. Ready to make one? Don't worry. It won't take too much time. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Fill your shaker with equal amounts of Jameson Irish whiskey with peach schnapps and sour mix. Step 2. Add ice to the shaker. Cover it and shake vigorously. Step 3. Pour in the drink, then serve. That's how you make the green tea shot. Food pairings with green tea shot. Hors d'oeuvres is your go-to food when it comes to drinking shots. You can pair your green tea shot with smoked shrimp, deviled eggs, and crab and avocado toasts. The green tea shot and its varieties are absolutely sweet and delicious. A perfect choice to serve for your next party. Take the shot and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also, hit the subscribe button for more cocktail recipe ideas you can enjoy.